Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add tags in Revit. Add door and window tags. Step 1. Click Tag by category from the Annotate tab, under Tag panel. Or, TG, for the shortcut. Step 2. The door tag setting can be made a distance, 1/4 inches, from the door. Step 3. Once you click a door, the tag will show. Step 4. The number may show or may not show. If not, you can make a number. Step 5. You can also tag both the curtain wall door and windows with a door and window tag. Complete to update all tags for doors and windows for the project. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add tags in Revit. Thank you.